While if you look on RPM, that's the actual amount you will be earning, not the one that the advertisers will be. Hi, hello, and welcome or welcome back if you have been here before. So you already click on the thumbnail and you know I'm gonna be talking about 5 ways how to make money on YouTube. So regardless whether you have a brand new YouTube channel or you already have your channel for some time, this video is for you if you want to maximize your profits on YouTube. Now first, let's talk about most common way how you can make money on YouTube, and that's throughout ads revenue. So first you have to have at least 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours during the period of 12 months, so you can then apply for a monetization of your channel and then you can place ads on your videos. Now bear in mind, if you want ads to be placed on your video throughout, not just at the beginning and the end, your video has to be at least 8 minutes long, and then you will be able to choose the point where you want your ads to be playing on your videos. And then when you go to analytics on your YouTube dashboard studio, you will see that you will have some revenue tab and it will display CPM and RPM data for you. So the CPM is cost per mile, meaning how much advertisers will pay for placing ads on your video, and that's the amount you will earn for 1000 views. While if you look on RPM, that's the actual amount you will be earning, not the one that the advertisers will be paying. So CPM and RPM varies in between the YouTube niches, and there are ways how you can increase your CPM and RPM on your videos. And if you want another video explaining more about that, please let me know in the comments. However, there are ways to make money on YouTube even if you are not monetized, and I wish I knew of them when I started on YouTube. I currently have 5 YouTube channels, and with the first 2 of them I actually wait until I get monetized before even thinking and making more money in the other ways that are possible, and we're gonna dive into that in just a second. Now the option number 2 how you can make money on YouTube is by selling merch and selling it directly on YouTube. I'm not talking about placing links on your description. You can actually sell your merch directly on your YouTube, and your product, your items will be displaying just under your YouTube video. So if any of your viewers choose to support your channel by purchasing your merch, it will be clearly visible there and they can just check out straight from there. Now to set this up, you would first have to check a couple of things, and if you head to a Google support regarding the selling merch on YouTube, you will see there is a long list of countries where this option is available. Unfortunately right now it's not available everywhere. However, YouTube is expanding and more countries are getting added to the list. So you can browse through this list to see whether your country is listed there. And again, there will be a long list of approved retailers. So what you would do, you would just go to the website and there you set up your merch there, and it's absolutely free. If you can get your designs done yourself on websites like Canva.com, again, it's absolutely free to use it. You can just design something that represents your brand, your YouTube channel, and then you can choose from all the options they have. You know, most common will be clothing, but it's not limited to that. You can also do some sort of mugs or stationery, anything that really suits your YouTube channel and your personal brand. So you go on the retailer website, set up your products, and then you link it to your YouTube channel on your YouTube studio, and the merch will be displaying under your videos. You also have option to choose not to display merch on some particular videos. Maybe you feel like this video is not really related what you are selling, or you making different type of content and you want to display merch only for some of these videos. You have this setting control, so you can set up where you want your merch to be displayed and which videos you don't want to do that. So you have absolutely your own controls of how to set these things up. Now the option number 3 how you can make money on YouTube is by selling digital products, and by digital products it can be anything. It can be templates, it can be online courses, it can be anything that you can pack it up as a digital product relating to your YouTube channel. And many big service providers and many large companies use YouTube simply for lead generation. So let's say you are providing some sort of services, so you can of course go for the paid ads, but YouTube can actually reach much more broader audience. And if you think about it, then maybe 5 or 10 years ago you would think, okay, in my niche, nobody is searching that on YouTube. For example, I have seen lately very fast growing and popular channels in agriculture. And if I think about 10 years ago, no one really into agriculture would be searching some tutorials, information or anything on YouTube. But now I don't think there is any niche where you cannot find information on YouTube. So even if you don't want to set up YouTube as your main source of income, you can still use it for lead generation for your, whether it's services, whether it's some personal consultations you're offering, anything that can be done online and sell digitally. And moreover, you can also use YouTube as lead generation if you are selling physical products or if you are selling like one-to-one courses or consultations, that sort of thing. And again, make money on YouTube in this way. There are no requirements. You don't need to be monetized. You just need to make sure that your videos are the niche related, are related to your digital product. And again, that's a great way how you can make money on YouTube. The fourth option will require for you to be monetized, but again, it's a great additional way how to make money on the top of your ad revenue, and that's creating memberships for your viewers. So when you head over to your monetization tab on YouTube, you will see membership section. What's great, YouTube is already giving you a template, so you can set up your membership in different levels. You can have 3 different plans in 3 different prices, and each of the plan obviously will gonna have more and more perks for your subscribers, or you can just set up one membership for everyone. Now, I have noticed a high trend on YouTube channels using membership for streaming live videos. So you publish your videos, they are available on YouTube. However, your membership subscribers, they actually can view your videos while you streaming them live. And of course, they can interact with you during the live. Based on your niche and your channel, there are different ways you can include in your membership. So just think about your own brand, about your own channel, what could be those things that you can offer as extra to your audience if they choose to support you through signing up to your membership. Last but not least, affiliate marketing. Now, many channels really fail to use affiliate marketing on their channels to make money, while there are some that making more money on affiliate marketing than they're actually making with ads revenue. And again, with the ad revenue, your CPM will gonna be changing. You never know, and you can't really predict like exactly how much money you will be making that month. While when you put your affiliate links on the YouTube, you know how much traffic your YouTube channel generates, you know the conversion rate of those links, and it's much predictable income. Besides, you can actually build your audience with affiliate marketing by capturing their emails, and you can build your email list, and therefore you can also promote another product to your audience, to the subscribers, to the people who subscribe to your email list, even if they don't watch your YouTube videos. So think about that as not just as a side income to the YouTube, but it can actually be your main income additionally, and you can generate some traffic from YouTube, and then you can do email marketing follow-ups to the people who have subscribed to your email list, where they initially find your link on YouTube. I hope that makes sense. If not, let me know in a comment. If you would like to see more detailed video about affiliate marketing and how to make money with it on YouTube, also let me know. So to make money with affiliate marketing, you really need to know what your channel is about and who is audience, who is watching your videos, and then you think what they need. And there are a lot of like review channels, makeup channels, fitness channels. And let me tell you, regardless of the niche of your channel, you can always find affiliate programs to join. And even if you think that my channel is not related to like anything, there is no product I could be promoting, you are still using your microphone, your camera, your lighting when you do your videos, and you can list all of those in your video description as well. And that's the very bare minimum. But I'm sure you can find certain things that you love, that you use, that you have already tested, and that you are, sure and confident to promote them to your audience, and you can include them in your videos. Okay, and once you build the trust with your audience, they will be willing to click on your links and try out the products. I would not recommend you to focus on just purely affiliate marketing and grab any, not your niche related products and just, paste all the links like in your description. That's not gonna work. You have to find a way how to link your YouTube channel, your personal brand, with affiliate marketing, the products that you are promoting, and you will surely make tons and tons of money out of it. And as I said, if you need more details about the affiliate marketing programs I suggest and I use on my YouTube channels, let me know down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you're having a lovely day. I appreciate you sticking with me until the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Now go ahead and watch this video as next one, and I will see you there.